Hello, geometry students. Okay, we're almost near the end here. I'm going to do only one question today, and we'll do the last two tomorrow because they want me to give you work every day. So we'll do this one. Remember, keep uploading these. Even if you do the whole of them, you got them all right, I want you to make sure you upload. This work is important. This isn't the study. I'm not going to try and trick you. The same type of problems are going to be on the final. So to help you out, I'm trying to help you here. I am going to give you basically how to do every problem, and you'll have this on YouTube, on the Google Classroom to refer to at all times. So let's make use of this. Let's be smart. Okay, I'm going to pick two different colors. I'm going to pick orange and purple for today's lesson. If you remember, when you get something like that, this is just a pattern, right? I'm only given one, but there's really how many angles here? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 angles. I'm really only concerned about this one. And if I remember, same side interior angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180. So the really smart ones of us could just say 180 minus 106 and get x. But I'm going to concentrate on the pattern here. I'm going to look at this angle first. Well, this angle over here is 106. Why? Because these two angles make up what we call vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent, or the same. Now, this also tells me that over here, because this angle is in the top left side, the top left angle over here is also 106. And then this one over here has to be 106. Again, another set of vertical angles. Two angles that are across from each other and an X like that. Okay, so I got one of them. Now, my next set of angles I'm going to be a little bit, have to use a little bit of a logical idea here is that, let me get a good color here since I'm not using, I'm going to look over here and say, well, this angle plus this angle makes a straight line. And a straight line, that we all know, is 180 degrees. So what's this little part over here of the 180 degrees? Well, it's 180 minus 106. And these two need to add up to 180. So 180, on my calculator here, off the screen, minus 106 is 74. So that tells me this angle over here needs to be 74, because 106 plus 74 equals 180. And if something equals 180, you're good. It's a straight line. So that also means that over here, this is a vertical angle. This is 74. Are you seeing the pattern now? Now, we also know that angles that are in the same, I forgot that it starts with a C, corresponding. It took me a second. Corresponding angles are congruent. This is the top right angle in this set. This is the top right angle in this set. So it's got to be the same. Now, hopefully you figured out at this point that this and X are vertical angles. Or you said that 74 and X are corresponding angles. Or that you realize that 106 and X must equal 180. Or you realize that same side interior angles add up to 180. Either way, the only answer that could be here is 74. Okay? Interesting way to do this problem. Remember the pattern. Okay? This is a pretty unique problem. I think you guys should be able to handle this well. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll do the last two questions. All right. Good luck, guys.